Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Dalia Paz Haiktina Nore, and I will be discussing an important environmental issue land pollution. Specifically, I will focus on the preventive measures and alternative solutions that can help us combat this problem and protect our precious land resources. So let's start first with a brief overview of land pollution. Land pollution refers to the degradation of the Earth's land surfaces at and below ground level by outside contaminants. It is primarily caused by human actions and it has severe consequences for the environment. Today, we will explore the causes, effects, and most importantly, the preventive measures and alternative solutions to address this issue. To understand how to prevent land pollution, we must first identify its causes. There are several factors contributing to land pollution, and one of it is improper waste disposal. When waste is not properly managed and ends up on the soil or other land, it can contaminate the area and cause soil deterioration. Urbanization and construction. The rapid growth of cities leads to increased construction activities, resulting in a large waste materials that contribute to land pollution if not disposed of properly. Next is mining and extraction. These two activities damage natural ecosystems, alter the landscape, and destroys habitats for wildlife, ultimately reducing biodiversity. Deforestation causing erosion. Deforestation leads to the loss of land's value as it can never be made fertile again once converted into a dry or barren area. Agriculture, intensive cultivation, and overgrazing can strip the land of its natural nutrients, making it infertile unless proper restoration measures are taken. And lastly, landfills and illegal waste dumping. Improper disposal of waste in landfills and illegal dumping sites further exacerbates land pollution. Now, let's discuss the effects of land pollution on the environment. Land pollution has significant impacts, including first is soil degradation. Land pollution changes the composition and the chemistry of the soil, making it unfit for plant growth and rendering it infertile. Next is contamination of usable water. Waste materials can seep into the soil and contaminate groundwater, making it unsafe for consumption. Third one is soil erosion. Land pollution disrupts the natural weathering cycles, leading to soil erosion, which can result in the loss of fertile topsoil. Fourth, loss of biodiversity. Land pollution destroys natural habitats, causing a decline in wildlife populations and reducing overall biodiversity. Now, let's take a look at a real life example of a region severely affected by land pollution. One such region is sub Saharan Africa, where haphazard waste disposal and mismanagement of pollutants have led to significant soil pollution. Agricultural activities, mining, refuse dumps, and e waste are some of the major causes of land pollution in this region. Now, let's move on to the preventive measures we can take to combat land pollution. It requires collective efforts from both individuals and the government. Here are some effective preventive measures. First is reducing the usage of pesticides and chemicals. Farmers can switch to biofertilizers and natural pest control methods to minimize land pollution. Next is reforestation. Planting more trees help prevent soil erosion, enhances biodiversity, and improves the fertility of the land. Third is recovering and recycling materials. Recycling waste materials reduces the burden on landfills and save natural resources. In addition to preventive measures, alternative solutions play a crucial role in addressing land pollution. Here are some alternative solutions we can implement. First is plant more trees. Increasing the number of trees helps restores land fertility and prevents soils erosion. Next is reuse materials. Reusing old materials reduces waste and create a more sustainable environment. Third one is the use of natural manure for agriculture. Instead of relying on chemical fertilizers, using natural manure helps maintain soil health without polluting the land. Cut down on the use of pesticides. Encouraging natural pest control methods reduces land and water pollution caused by pesticides. Creating awareness. Educating people about land pollution and its consequences can lead to more responsible actions and behaviors. Let's take a look at an example of a successful implementation of preventive measures and alternative solutions. Sweden is a country that has made significant progress in reducing land pollution. Through landfill bans, recycling infrastructure, and extended producer responsibility, they have achieved impressive results, with only 1% of waste going to landfills, 52% converted into energy, and 47% recycled. In conclusion, land pollution is a pressing environmental issue that requires our immediate attention. By implementing preventive measures and alternative solutions, we can make a positive impact and protect our land resources for future generations. Remember, even small individuals' actions can contribute to significant changes when combined with collective efforts. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that you have learned something. Thank you and have a great day.